Nobody can explain this signal from space. In 1977, a giant radio telescope picked up a mysterious transmission from deep space. It lasted just 72 seconds. The signal was so powerful and unusual that astronomer Jerry Eman circled it on the printout and wrote one word beside it: wow. The creepy part: scientists searched the exact same area of space again, and the signal never came back. No confirmed source, no second message, just silence. To this day, the wow signal remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in human history. What do you